I have this thing that what do I do with my child, for my child. So the focus is on the child. What I would suggest is shift the focus on yourself. Okay. As parents, when the inputs change, the output automatically changes. So, there's certain soft skills, which if the caregiver kind of builds in, then there's a maximum change in the output of the child. So things like, engaging more with the child, asking the right questions. So only when the child is asked a question, then child has an opportunity to respond using language. So second thing is asking and waiting. We parents also, we want quick responses. So we miss waiting. In that, the child becomes conscious, and the child will either rely on the parent that I don't have immediate answer, so I should just, rely on the parent. Then expanding, whatever response the child gives, how to expand that. And then most important is the feedback. What kind of feedback we give to the child, that also it's like a formative feedback. For this, what I would suggest, I have on my channel, I have a detailed series called Better Connection, Better Communication. You can go watch that. It's like a masterclass, freely available, 10 minutes each, but it has a lot of information on that. You may not require complete, one-on-one guide, individual therapy for a long term, but there's no harm in immediately going when you have some doubts. You go to the speech therapist and, at least consult and get some guidance, which is tailor-made for you. I would urge all the parents that just enjoy with your kids, and whenever you feel that there is some sort of delay, do remember that we exist and what all we do. There is no harm in meeting us. Just use it as your GPS. Just take the navigation and the path will be walked by you. But we are always there to guide you in which direction to move. Too earlier is good for you, your child, and everyone at large.